lunchboxes are full of sugar and carbohydrates, and not much, if any, protein or good fats. So again, we want a well-balanced diet, including protein, I'd say 40 to 50%, carbohydrates around 25%, and 25% obviously good fats, healthy fats, not fried foods. Now we're going to go on and talk about fitness. All right, so we have 1,440 minutes in a day. Surely we all can be active at least 30 to 60 minutes per day, correct? Are you all in the gym here? So gym activity, obviously, you're going to be active in the gym. We can ride our bikes or walk to school. We can play sports. Not everyone has to be in sports. You can take your dog for a walk. Not only you will be healthier, but your dog will be healthier too, and you'll have fun. Make being active fun. Again, not everyone's going to be a star athlete, and not everyone has to be an athlete to be active. But every one of us has a body, and we need to take care of it, and we need to be active. Walking, riding bike, going to the park. Whatever it is that you like to do, be active. One thing I wanted to mention, I'm sure you all know, there's a young boy that rides his bike to school. Nathan, would you please stand?
Nathan, it's very important that you wear your helmet. Where's Nathan? I have to stand back up. If you wear your helmet, that's very important. Good for you, because anything can happen on the street. Make sure you wear your helmet.
We're also going to introduce Taylor.
Give it up for my Taylor, everybody.
How you gonna do it? All right, who'd like $1,000? That's what I thought. I don't have $1,000. How many wore one of these? A few have wore one of these?
I have one over there.
Yeah, one over there. Hold it. Oh, I don't want to run anymore. And I am bored of it. 2.5 years ago, I completely tore my ACL, and that's the ligament from the front of your knee to the back of your knee. Makes it really kind of hard to walk. I did that playing soccer, and I've been playing sports for a long time. Just thank you. You didn't clap for that. What time was that? I don't want to play sports, right? Quick show of hands. I want to know how many play games, and I'm not board games, but like you go out and shoot the hoops, you know, you run your bike around. Pretty much everyone. Pretty much everyone. Okay, all those that we just have fun doing. We just have fun doing, whether it's riding bikes or bowling or whatever. How many of you are on a team that does that same sport? Okay, all right, we'll go all the way. Now I did notice that not all the hands went up that went the first time. Did you know, there's something coming up this summer. It comes up every 4 years. You probably know what it is. It's the Olympics. Yeah, that's right. How many people know of all the different sports that are on the Olympics? There's lots of different sports you don't know about, right? You might be in your backyard and how many have a trampoline in the backyard? Several have trampolines in the backyard. Do you know that's an Olympic sport? Yes, it is. Not only individual trampoline, but synchronized trampoline. And it's hard. All right, well, back to my story. I tore my ACL playing soccer. They took me out of hockey. They took me out of playing basketball because I couldn't play anymore. I certainly couldn't jump anymore. And I had to do some rehab. And rehab looked like that over there with the principal doing the riding the bike, which is very good for you. But it took more than just working the muscle back up after I had my knee replaced and got that new ligament there. It took getting the right nutrition to go along with it. I had to build up the muscle tissue I lost, as well as making sure that that tissue stays firm with that muscle. And so I had to eat properly. And I slid every now and then. I'll admit it, I did. But I had to keep eating. But I had to keep rehabbing. And my knee wasn't quite getting there. So I thought, what did I do? I can't play what I really love anymore. I can't play the hockey. I just can't play soccer anymore. What can I do? So a friend of mine told me about swimming. And I started taking up swimming. My daughter had been swimming for quite a while. And I thought, well, this is kind of cool. I'll swim with her and we'll swim. And I started swimming and exercising my knee and really liked it. Now, how many swim just for fun? You just go out and swim. Right, everybody. And most of y'all know that swimming is a sport. I mean, we got a team, we have high school teams, we have junior high teams, we have pro sport teams. We all live in swimming. Michael Phelps. So swimming is great for everyone. And it doesn't have to be that you do it as a sport. It can be just a great physical activity for overall health. Because swimming now that builds up your muscles and your ligaments, it's really easy on your joints, especially for someone my age. But it's also very good for if you want to compete. If it's something else, if you can't do a sport that you love, if you play football all the way through high school, you get into college, then you get injured for whatever reason, and then you might find another sport. There might be more than one sport you're good at, and you need to find out what those sports are and work on that. But swimming became my new sport, it became my new passion. So that's what I do. I swim, and I got so good at it in the first year that they have a competition for all different age groups called the Winter Games in Texas. They hold that in Frisco. And it's for hockey and basketball and all sports. And swimming was one of those sports. And I was fortunate enough to come home with one of these. But that was only after 1 year, and not even quite a full year, exercising and swimming and trying to get my muscle back in shape. So I'm thinking, wow, what can I do next year? This is going to be great. So I want to tell you guys, it takes everything. You got to eat properly. You want to make sure your muscles get what they need. You get the energy you have for not only those muscles, for your heart, for your lungs, for your brain. Because you got to be able to think in your sport, not just do the sport, you got to be able to think in the sport. All right? What was I going to tell you about? Quickly. Talk about the medal? No, this is a silver medal. I got second place for swimming the breaststroke in the men in my age category. But it's all age. I'm sure that I know there's at least 2 or 3 people in this audience, and I'm not going to point them out or anywhere. I know there's at least 2 or 3 people here who also went to the Winter Games there and have competed and won medals. So that's a good thing to do. It's a way to test yourself and see how far you come along. But what I want to get to in the end point is, if you're injured or if you're not, whatever sport you're doing, try to do the best you can. Learn all you can about it, because that's the best thing about it. Now that I can't play hockey anymore, I still love hockey. I'm the voice for the Texas Tornado in Frisco to play hockey. I'm also the voice for the Texas Legends, which is the affiliate for the Dallas Mavericks. So if you want to see some basketball or hockey, you better go to the first one. Come to see me when I'm out there announcing, okay? Well, I want to thank you for your time. Thank you for listening to me.